Jax here from Legend Brands. I'm excited to introduce you to a must-have cleaning tool, the Upholstery Pro. I don't know about you, but fatigue seems to be inevitable when it comes to tackling cleaning and restoration jobs. That's one of the reasons I'm always looking to refine my workflow and pick up the tools that help me tackle the work we do quicker, more efficiently, and with less stress on the body. The Upholstery Pro is all that and much more. The unique extraction head design extracts in both directions when you push or pull across fabrics. It also features a gentle trigger system that includes a trigger lock, so you can use the tool for extended periods without wearing down your wrist. On the truck mount version, you can adjust the solution control valve to adjust flow rate of your solution, making it easy to remove the heaviest of soils while limiting it for the most delicate fabrics, all while observing the work it's tackling firsthand via its clear, heat-resistant nylon resin head, one of the most durable in the market. And if you're a truck mount user like me, it's important to note that the Upholstery Pro's hose, head, even fittings are designed to withstand 200+ degree temperatures and up to 500 psi. Competitions? Not the case. They're only recommended for temperatures up to 150 degrees and up to 150 psi. Now, I don't know about you, but I find heat and pressure to be two of my favorite ingredients as a cleaner. I don't want a tool I have to worry about burning up while I'm trying to get the job done right.
Jax, did you get your Upholstery Pro using Legend Rewards points?
Actually, yeah, I did. There was an incentive when I picked up the 370 EFI.
Yeah, those points do add up.
They sure do.
And do you have one too?
One what?
An Upholstery Pro?
No.
Why not?
I prefer to sit on my upholstery, not clean it. Besides, we have Jax.
What's that supposed to mean?
Free labor.
Legend Brands.